was a teenager, a trickster demon terrorized our entire family and tried to force me to marry him.
It's showtime.
Welcome back and welcome if you are new to my channel. For this Beetlejuice character, I start by applying this color contact eyes. This step is optional. You can always use a filter at the end once your character is created. To keep my brows in place, I'm using the Got To Be glued and the back of my brush to keep it nice and flat for a flawless application. Then use a light color pencil to sketch the desired eye shape of your character. Make sure that you have inspirational pictures to guide you during this process. For face painting, you can choose from high-end makeup or a more affordable ones like the ones they sell at the Halloween store. They both perform very good, but if you're working on a client, I suggest using a more high-end like the one I'm using here. Coverage is amazing, a little bit goes a long way. It feels like a foundation and is waterproof. Now let's apply some translucent powder to set and secure the base. Now let's add some color, starting with this black shade around the brow area and some of these two purple shades to give it more depth. For the eye area, I'm using a gel liner pencil. Using a small brush, I'm applying it on my upper and lower waterline and then smudging it all around the eye to intensify the look. Now I'm using this magenta color to fill in the eye area and a purple eyeshadow to set and blend the eyeliner. I wanted to be a little extra, so I decided to use this beautiful shimmer eyeshadow with pretty blue and purple sparkles in it, which gave it the perfect highlight effect. Make sure you have a fan brush handy to dust out any fallouts. Using more gel liner and a brush with nylon or boar's hair bristles, I'm creating a fake mustache by moving my brush lightly and fast downwards. Now I'm using a napkin to dry my teeth to prepare them before applying a black tooth wax to give this character a rotten teeth effect. With this green eyeshadow, I'm going to start highlighting and contouring my character. Using some masks that you can get from a Dollar Tree store and some adhesive, I'm going to give this character a more decayed look. For the sandworm lip effect, I'm applying several layers of this white paint and letting them dry in between. Then you tightly contract your lips and set them with black eyeshadow. These will create the small folds or stripes of the sandworm. With some water-based brown paint, I'm just adding more details to this corpsey look. I also added some zombie dirt for more definition. For the bold hair hack, you only need to part the front of your hair. Then do a light teasing and apply a strong hold hair gel and continue teasing some more. To color my hair, I'm using a green Halloween hairspray. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.
Ew, who's Beetlejuice?
Don't ever say that name!
Beetlejuice.
No, Astrid! I am serious!
If you say his name 3 times, he will appear. Beetlejuice.
The juice is loose.
I'm gonna make you so happy.